Somebody are from Naga.
Para sa
First name ba din pala siya? She's a girl. Nasa ako na siguro. Mrs. Tagal ka na sa Mrs. 4 years. Pero ano lang, uwi pa rin ako. Kami na sa TV.
From Region 10, people who are engaged in ALS and alternative learning system, the Chief of ALS of Region 10, Lisa Moore, G. Mariano, and also Mr. Rolando Botali, Education Supervisor for Region 10 for ALS. And of course, the Honorable Mayor of City Mayor of Malaybalay City, the Honorable Ignacio Zubiri. May we acknowledge the delegation from the municipality of Jose Panganiban, Camarines Norte in the Bicol region, headed by the Honorable Mayor himself, Honorable Ricarte R. Padilla, the Honorable Vice Mayor Ariel M. Non, Sangguniang Bayan members, Honorable Councilor Sara